Space planning is about organizing furniture and design elements to optimize function and flow. It starts with understanding the space and user needs, analyzing dimensions, architectural features, and constraints to create an efficient layout. Zoning divides a space into functional areas. In homes, this might mean living, dining, and sleeping zones. In offices, it could be workstations, meeting rooms, and recreational spaces, ensuring each area serves its purpose. Good design facilitates easy movement, avoiding bottlenecks and ensuring accessibility. This involves planning pathways and positioning furniture to allow smooth traffic flow, crucial for public spaces and accessibility. Furniture placement considers size, shape, and function, enhancing space functionality and balance. For example, living room seating should encourage conversation while maintaining clear pathways. Effective storage keeps spaces organized and aesthetically pleasing. This includes built-in cabinetry, shelving, and multifunctional furniture that combine storage with other uses. Ergonomics designs environments supporting health and performance, reducing discomfort and injury risk. This is vital in workspaces to prevent issues like repetitive strain injuries. Ergonomic furniture supports natural body positions. Chairs with lumbar support and adjustable desks enhance comfort and productivity, accommodating different body types and postures.